Subscribe now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. HF Cross FD392 is a premium breeding bull, genetically superior with 75% Holstein Friesian lineage. Born on August 20, 2019, this bull has demonstrated exceptional growth and strength, currently weighing 820 kilograms. Advantages of using FD392 semen. Offspring inherit superior dairy traits, increasing milk yield. FD392 genetics ensure better adaptability and productivity. Progeny are likely to develop faster and reach ideal weight efficiently. FD392's robust genetics contribute to healthier, disease-resistant calves. Enhancing breed quality ensures long-term dairy profitability. Farmers seeking high-yielding, healthy cattle should choose HF Cross FD392 semen for their breeding programs. Its strong genetic foundation ensures better dairy performance, profitability, and herd improvement.